I found that watching videos is the easiest way to make $5 every 15 seconds. You think I'm joking? Well, let's start by going to this new website right here. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this reliable and long-lasting website. You can also watch videos here to make money later. I'll show you how to make money every time you watch a short video like this one, just like all of these people who make a good amount of money every day with this website. Also, keep in mind that there are more ways than just watching videos to make money on this site. You can click on ads and earn up to 3 cents each time you do so. You can also win up to $1 on the click grid and make money by doing offers if you want to. But today, we're going to focus on watching videos because that's how we'll make good money. As you can see, you can get paid to watch YouTube videos. This is a pretty cool plan, and I'll show you something extra at the end of this video. So make sure you keep watching. So step 1. I want you to click on this button that says register, which will take you to the page where you can sign up. You can now sign up on your computer or on your phone. Just fill out the general information, like your full name and email address, and make a password. For the second part, which is your payment account, just enter your payment information so you can get paid through Perfect Money or pay Bitcoin, Skrill, Airtime, and PayPal, then click. I'm not a robot. I agree to their rules, and all I have to do is click register. This website is called swingbucks.com, by the way. Here's the next step. Once you log into your account, you'll see a list of ads and videos that you can watch right now to make money online. There are a lot of businesses listed on this website. You have a lot of choices. But the biggest problem that beginners have is that they don't know which company or video they should watch and focus on to make the most money. So, for the first bonus tip, we should focus on micro ads, which will earn us the most money in the shortest amount of time. Because, as you can see on this one, all you have to do to make money is watch 15-second video ads. After 15 seconds, the video ad will be skipped over and a regular YouTube video will play. So now all you have to do is keep watching and wait for the next video ad to come up, then watch that one for 15 seconds, and so on. You will be able to make money over and over again this way. Here's one more bonus tip. You can actually turn off the volume of the video by clicking this mute button, as you can see here. This way, you can let the video play in the background while you do other things. So this is a very powerful way to watch multiple videos on each tab at the same time. Also, if you have a second phone or computer, you can watch multiple videos on different devices and take notes. The more videos you watch, the more likely it is that you will see ads. The more ads you see, the more money you can make. The best part is that you're sure to see one at the beginning of every video you watch, which will give you a lot of guaranteed income. And when the video starts, you might see 23 or even 4 ads from the same video, which will help you make even more money. Here in the clicks grid, I'm going to give you one more bonus tip. Every time you click on one of these small boxes, you might win up to $5. Now, all you have to do is click on any random box you want, like this one, which will take you to a random website. You just need to stay on that page for 15 seconds. You won't have to do anything to win $5, and if you're lucky, you won't have to do anything at all. Playing Click Grid is actually pretty easy. Just click anywhere on the picture, and you could win up to $5 right into your account. Each click will take you to a sponsor's site, which you must look at for up to 15 seconds without doing anything. If you do this, you could win up to $5. The cool thing is that every day, clicks will start over. All of these boxes will get new information so that you can click on them again. This website offers a fun and easy way to make money. Now, the only bad thing about using this website is that it might not be enough to replace your day job. If that's the case, you'll need to make more money on the side. Watch this video right now to learn how to make $3 for every 4 videos you watch.